the start of our fitness journey. 4 miles today. I'm red. We're on this trail. Kicking my ass. I'm very pretty though. Babe's up there. I'm doing the extra as always. It's supposed to be every day. A little documentation of what should be seeing me every day. 4 miles. Run, walk, easing into this. What you gotta say?
Workout, 4 miles in, let's go.
What is it? Day one.
Day one, baby.
Every day.
Yeah, every day.
And this Florida heat.
Yeah, we'll knock it out.
All right.
Let's run though. We should have been running.
Bye, guys.